What's up, everybody? Appreciate you guys tuning in to DrewTube HD. Just a quick unboxing of this Meike 35mm APS-C lens 1.7 for my Sony A6000. I just picked this up off of eBay. It came with this here. I will leave the seller's information down below in the comments. That's that. Also, if you want to pick it up off Amazon, I'll leave a link to that below as well. But I did pick this up off eBay, so that seller I did deal with, had no issues with them. They shipped it out fast, no problems so far. That's you can see there the information from Meike Digital. I'm shooting this on my phone, which is the Essential phone, as you guys know. And so I will do, tomorrow is a car show, and today is my daughter's birthday, so I'll be taking some photos with this particular lens for the day, and I will give you guys, I'll show you guys some shots of it, so that you can, decide for yourself if this is a lens for you. It is a manual lens, so it doesn't have any autofocus and stuff like that, so it is something that, you'll have to kind of familiarize yourself with the manual focus part of it. So that's all that stuff that's in there, and kind of keeping you guys stationary because I don't want too much. Let's see if this here we go, focus in there. So there's that, and this is the actual lens itself, as you can see. It comes in this little plastic. This thing's kind of, got some weight to it, so that's good. If you guys have seen the reviews of this lens before, it's mostly been positive. I haven't heard any negatives about it. Maybe with some lens flaring and stuff like that, but just don't shoot into direct sunlight, pretty much. So there's the cap for the back. Locks it. This is the lens cap. It's metal. So that's dope. Let me see. You can see there, it's multi-coated. You won't see any of the colors and stuff because obviously it's on my phone and it's in my room and it's dark. So, but that's that. You got your metal ring. There's the back part. So let me unlock this real quick. Just make sure there's nothing in here. No, sir. I don't see Bella anywhere. I'm trying to do a video, but thank you for jumping in here. So that's my son, sorry about that. But yep, so that's that. I will, again, like I said, this will be the beginning of a little bit of longer of a video. Like I said, I'll do a review of some shots, and I'll show you guys some shots of it. But that was just a quick unboxing of the Meike lens, and like I said, I'll leave the seller's information down below. Comes with a little pouch, comes with this, comes with cleaning rag, but the seller actually sends it with a brush, cleaning brush. They send some gloves. They send us like a cleaning kit, so that's what's all in it right there. If you want to order from them, I picked it up for $89.99, free shipping. So not a bad deal in my opinion. But again, like I said, I will go ahead and take some practice shots and take some shots of the day. I'll take some shots tomorrow at the car show, and I will let you guys know what I think about it after that. All right, stay tuned.